Hi guys, good evening. So today we will learn an advanced feature which not many people, I think not even 0.5% people might be using in their Excel sheet, which is the developer tab. Okay. So see, what is this function? There is a quantity, and if I increase the quantity, the number is increasing or decreasing by 1, right? And accordingly, the total is increasing or decreasing by 1, right? And this is a tool, this is a bar which you will see like scroll bar or radio buttons or check boxes. You can create anything in Excel. But right now, my objective is just to introduce you to this concept, right? So that is what I wanted to do today. So first of all, when you will see your Excel, you will not find the developer tab, right? You will not find the developer tab. So first thing is that we have to bring in the developer tab. So we will go to options, and in options you have customized ribbon, and in this customized ribbon you will go to main tabs, and here you will find developer. So click on this and you will have to press add, okay, and say okay here. So as soon as you will do this, you will find this new tab, which is a developer tab coming into your screen, right? Let me just delete this first. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go to developer tab, insert, and in this you have form control and ActiveX control. So I will go to form control, which is spin button. I want this button. You have checkbox, you have radio button, you have different type of forms which are there, but I want this button. So I will come here. You will see your cursor will change to this small plus sign, and you drag here, right? Now this button has come, and when these uh, circles are there in this, that means you can edit this control. Now I can just click this control, right? I can't edit this control. So I have to do a right click on this control and go to format control. Okay. So I have to set the current value, right? Current value is 2 right now. What is minimum value? Minimum value is 0, let's say. And what is maximum value? I can set 25 as maximum value. And each incremental value is 1. So once I click on this, it will increase by 1. You can increase by 5, 10, whatever. And which cell I should link to this? I'm linking this cell, right? And I'm saying, okay. So what I have done, I've set this button to work. What is the current value? What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value, incremental change, and which cell it should be linked to? Okay. Now, you see, now this button will work. Previously, it was not working. You see, when I'm clicking on up, it is increasing, decreasing. Similarly, you can copy and paste this button to other cells also, like I have done. And you can do format control and link it and change these values of this button. This total is a simple thing, which is C4 into E4, right? And what we are changing through this control is E4, right? So I hope this small things will make your PPT look advanced. Actually, this has that kind of power, because developer tab technically is used when you are working with macro. But even when you are not working with macro, we can use these kind of simple features of developer tab, right? Hope you like this video. Please try at your end. You will enjoy this function. Thank you.